Hello students, how are you? Are you all fine and safe? Yes, very nice. I know you are all must be safe and very healthy at your homes. At present, as you know, this is a very critical situation now. The COVID is spreading in all over the world, especially in the India. Its cases are rising up regularly. So we have to must follow the all COVID safety measures protocols. Because students, these safety protocols can make ourselves healthy and safe. In fact, it also secure our family too. So if we will remain safe, our family will remain safe, and family and we all together remain safe, then we can focus on our studies because studies are also necessary thing. Okay, students. So this is only kind of a battle with the corona that is not be fought in battleground. It can only be fought by staying at home. So students follow all the COVID protocols like regular hand washing, regular mask wearing, and keeping a safe distance from other people. So students, these COVID protocols will make you safe and healthier. So with these things, students, now we need to keep focus on our study also, and let us continue our study now.
Database and table in MS Access 2013. Here are the two main steps that I will follow in this video tutorial. The first is to create a database, Residents of ABC Society. And the second step is to create a table, Residence Info. Let us create the following table design. As you can see here, the table will show you the details of the residents of a society such as house number, first name, last name, age, and occupation. To start with, open MS Access 2013 by clicking on Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office 2013, and then Access 2013. You will see the Start screen of Access 2013. Select the blank Desktop Database option in the right pane. In the file name box, type the database name, Residents of ABC Society. You can click on the folder icon and select the desired location for the database. Click on Create. The database is created. By default, a blank table opens in the datasheet view. Switch the view to Design View. As you do so, the Save As dialog box will appear on the screen. Type Residence Info and click on OK. You will now see the table in the design view. Now, enter the field names, house number, first name, last name, age, and occupation. I will now define the suitable data type for each. You can also add a description of the required field. It's optional. The field name, house number, is the unique identifier here. So, set it as a primary key. Now, switch to Datasheet view to enter the records. As you do so, a message box asking you to save a table appears on the screen. Click on Yes. You will now see the datasheet view of the table. I will enter here at least 5 records. This is how a table is created in MS Access. Save the changes in the table and exit MS Access application.